Welcome to Silly Pot Kitchen. My name is Autumn and I'm 4 years old and I'll be 5 soon. To make a strawberry Dalgona. Now let's check on ingredients. Blender and then put the strawberry. Let's do it. A little bit. And then this is more like easier. Now let's add the strawberry syrup. Oh, like this taste. Let's close the lid. Now let's check how thick it is. It's creamy and yummy. Now let's take a glass. And then we have a milk and the ice cubes. Now let's put ice cubes in the glass. Now let's pour the milk on the ice cubes. Let's put the strawberry whip on it. Lots of them so that it will taste good. I very like the strawberries. I like all the strawberries. I'll just put a little bit more, then the sprinkles will be with the strawberries. Kids will love this. So let's put the strawberry Dalgona is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.